Hello, my friend. Are you ready to embark on a new journey full of adventure? You are in the right place to discover vacation paradises around the world. I will show you not only the well-known destinations, but also the hidden corners that you may have never even heard of. You will learn which cities you should visit, what you can do there, and how to travel in the most comfortable way while creating your dream vacation routes. And I know budget is always important when planning a vacation. I will tell you how to find the most affordable flight tickets and how to discover the most advantageous ways of transportation in the city. Whether you want to enjoy the comfort of a luxury hotel, have a pleasant experience in a mid-level hotel, or relax your budget by choosing an apart hotel, I will guide you to find the best options for every budget and need. But what is a must for a vacation? Of course, discovering the local flavors of that city. I share all the details about which restaurants offer the best dishes, how much these flavors will cost you. In every video, I invite you to a new adventure in a new city. Subscribe to discover different cultures, cuisines, and people, and don't miss this adventure. Let's make the best memories together as we explore the world step by step. Remember, a vacation is not just a vacation, it is a journey to the most beautiful stories of your life. Come on, my friend, it's time to explore. Join this adventure, subscribe, and don't miss this adventure.